The index down over 1%, with names like TCS leading on the way down with a cut of 2% ahead of numbers tomorrow. Infosys, HCL Tech also seeing losses in excess of 1.5%. Apart from IT, and across the board, there was a sell-off in IT. A couple of FMCG names. So Asian Paints, Wipro under pressure. Asian Paints, in fact, under pressure for the second consecutive day. Even yesterday, Asian Paints was down nearly 1%, and it's followed it up with further weakness. Tata Motors today has come in for some profit booking, but the star today has got to be Kotak Mahindra Bank, as the street now pencils in higher FPI flows post MSCI potentially increasing its weightage in the standard indices when it does its review in May. So the street anticipates more inflows, and that fueled a big rally. Apart from that, other financial names like ICICI Bank look smart. ICICI Bank gaining 1.5%. Autos continued to move higher, so Eicher Motors, Bajaj Auto in the green. Metals had a strong second half, so JSW Steel up 4%. Tata Steel spiked up in the second half of the trading session to see a rally of 2.5% on that as well. All in all, another good session, right? Markets are slowly creeping higher and higher, and now 17,700 seems to be conquered.
Absolutely. And on the mid-cap screens, Reema, though the gain is 0.5%, and that kind of pales in comparison to, let's say, the Bank Nifty today, on individual stock names, you've seen a fair amount of action and movement. For instance, talk about a Neogen Chemicals, where, of course, there's a news flow coming in with them looking at a technology transfer, 14% up over there. Then you've got a stock like Trident up about 7.5%. Bombay Dyeing has seen about a 6% move today. BLS International, Shipping Corporation of India, of course, on news. Government is looking to sell some of the assets and then overall look at more divestment in the company. 5% up over there. KPIT Tech has bounced back 4.5% higher. Sonata Software. Interestingly, some of the mid-cap IT names doing a lot better than the large-cap peers. So not bad in the mid-cap market. On the losing side, not too many names. Maybe a Rosari Bio, because it had been a big mover in the past. Today it was down about 8.5%. Maybe a Berger Paints shaving off a little bit of the gain as well, down about 3%. But overall, strong close coming through the market at very critical levels, but also right in that congestion zone. Important for the Nifty to show if it can really take out the 17,750 to 800 level. But I guess for that, Reema, we have 2 more trading sessions. But today, I guess the Bulls will have yet another win. 7th consecutive day of gains, right?
7th consecutive day of gains. But with that, we're going to wrap up on closing bell. Don't go anywhere. Our Tuesday special, Commodity Champions, comes up next.